Hello, I'm Lam. Welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. As you can see, there's a bike behind me. Please ignore that. But it's been so long since I've been on YouTube and I'm so excited to be back. I have to say the break helps, but I miss it a lot. So anyway, what's the point of this video? You might have seen in the title, I haven't decided it yet, but I will decide it when this video is up. I'm just gonna show you what I bought at Sephora from their VIB sale just happened recently. I happen to have 20% off, so I make sure I always take advantage of that twice a year event. And first of all, let me give you some recommendation on what to do with the sale. So when there's a sale, what do you want to buy? What is the best things to buy then? First of all, the essentials. Of course, your skincare products, your moisturizer, your serum that are so expensive and that you will be using eventually. That's one thing, the essential. The makeup too, right? Like your foundation, if it's running out, your sunscreen, your lip liner. Another thing you can buy during the sale is something that is new but is too expensive for your budget. Now we all know there's like Tom Ford eyeshadow quads that are really expensive, but they're gorgeous regardless. There's also pomegranates, which is also expensive. You know, that kind of thing. They don't necessarily be the best product out there, but they are high quality, and of course they are selling the brand as well as the product, so it's expensive. So yeah, those are the things that I would take advantage of. Maybe a new fragrance that you haven't tried, gifts for your friends and family. That's what I kind of did too. So let me go over everything, and I hope we will have fun together. I know we will. So the first thing I bought is I want to try a new foundation. I have been wanting to try out foundations for a while. I kind of took a break because just for personal reasons. For like 3 months, I didn't really wear any foundation. And then about 2-3 weeks ago, I started testing out the Ultra HD foundation by Makeup Forever. I was going to film a video about it, and then before I get to film anything, I got an irritation on both of my cheeks. On this side here, it's like hives and it's red and it's like itchy and it just looks terrible. It's like a terrible breakout and it's all red and like little pimples here and there. So I didn't know what that was. I didn't know it was the foundation. So I guess I shouldn't say it's the foundation, but I didn't know what was going on. So I just stopped using all the things I was testing. You know, I always test multiple things at the same time. So I stopped everything. So it went away after like a week. And then I started using my new skincare again to see what's going on. And then I was going to test out the new Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer because, you know, I like a more airy, natural look now. I was going to review that too, so put it on, and the next day that same thing happened in the same spot. So I was like, why can't my skin take foundation anymore? There must be something that would work, right? So I returned that one and I got this Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40 with niacinamide squalane and hyaluronic acid. Now I have tested out this foundation already on my channel. I will link it in the description box as well as up here. You can check it out to see a full day wear test. Is what I'm wearing on my face right now. It's just super natural, super moisturizing. It's a tinted moisturizer. Like, it works more like a serum or like a sunscreen moisturizer rather than a foundation. It has very light coverage. So I double down on the concealer and I put some powder on top because with my combination skin, it will get oily very quickly. But it's been working great. I don't have any of that irritation. So I don't know what's in those two foundation I mentioned that cause it. But if you know, let me know. If you are in the same spot, let me know as well in the comments section. The next product that I bought, and I tested this out also in my channel a while back, and this is the Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This is a beautiful vitamin C cream. It's very thick, moisturizing, easy to use. It can leave like a tacky feeling behind. If you're not into that, you're not going to be into this product. I like that. I like it's almost like a makeup base, you know, when you put something on top, it is able to cling on to a little bit of that sticky base, and also it just make everything spread easier and doesn't clump up into dry patches, which can happen with me with makeup. So I really like this. Make sure you check out my review video to just see more details and how the products look. But let me show you real quick. It's like this. It's like a really thick cream. And let me show you the foundation real quick too. It's like a serum, so it's like a dropper kind of applicator. Yeah, it's very interesting. I also got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. And this is a Korean brand, South Korean brand. This is just a very basic sleeping mask that works. It's a watery texture, so it will absorb completely. It doesn't leave a thick layer behind like this one. But it's still moisturizing. It gets the job done, and it doesn't irritate me, and it smells really nice too. If you are sensitive to scent, you might not be into Laneige. They have pretty heavy fragrance in their skincare products, but I have to say all of the skincare products are good. They have makeup as well, but not at Sephora as much, I don't think. But yeah, this is really a nice product, and I'm excited that I now have a full size, so I can use just put on my face as a night cream and then go to bed, and then it worked great. The next thing I got is this Pat McGrath Labs Perma Gel Ultra Lip Pencil in the shade Structure. It's just it comes with a sharpener, so you have to sharpen it. It's not like a twist up and use kind of thing, but this shade, it's beautiful. It's what I have right now. Let me swatch it for you. And it really is the most long-lasting lip liner that I've ever tried. I haven't tried a lot of lip liner. So I am planning to do a video comparing this with an extremely affordable lip liner, the LA Girl one. If you are interested, let me know as well. But so far, I love this. It's not like food proof, right? If you eat something and you wipe your mouth, it's going to go away. But if you don't eat anything and you just put it on, and it will stay for a long time. It's one of the most long-lasting lip products I've ever used. So very, very good. Expensive, so definitely see the point of taking advantage of the sale. Exactly. The next product is another essential that I'm running low on, and is the Supergoop Play Everyday Lotion with SPF 50. Is a tube. I haven't finished mine, so I didn't take it out. This is, I think, the smallest size or the second smallest size. Anyway, it's a great sunscreen. Tested this out on my video as well. Make sure you check it out. But it's just a very basic, but it works very well sunscreen that doesn't break you out. Moisturizing and glowy though. So if you have oily skin, you might not enjoy this kind of formula as much. Another thing that I got is another refill, is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration First Aid Beauty. Of course, this can be used on your face, on your body, everywhere. The days that my skin freak out, I look into First Aid Beauty because their products never irritate my skin. And they are pretty affordable for how much you get with this tube. So highly recommend. I think I review a lot of their products on my channel as well, so it's gonna be somewhere there. Also, my friend's birthday is coming up, so I got this Innisfree Hydration Heroes with green tea, and it comes in a set like this. It has a hydration cleansing balm with green tea extract. It has the intensive hydrating serum and intensive hydrating toner and a hydrating cream, and all of them are tea leaves extract kind of theme. And I used to love this line so much, I kind of stopped for a moment, and now I'm getting back into Innisfree. It's also a South Korean brand just like Laneige, and they have amazing affordable skincare products, and I'm so glad that Sephora now carries them so we can all try them out. This set is also very affordable for what you get and how good it is for your skin, so highly recommend. Alright, I think that was everything, is it? Yes, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy sharing the new products that I got with me. If you want to see any reviews of these products, make sure you check out my channel, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification button if you haven't already, and have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.